Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add background music in Google Slides. So if you want to add background music to your presentation in Google Slides, here's how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is you have to head over to your insert option in the title bar, tap on insert, then tap on audio. So you can insert the music by using the search bar here, or probably you search your music through your Google Drive. Can insert through your Google Drive, can say insert video using Google Drive, or just paste in the URL to the music. So let's head over to YouTube. So this is my YouTube. I'm just gonna pick from any of this. So I'm just gonna put this word, which is wishing well. Then I'm gonna copy the URL for this particular video. Go tap on share. So I'm just gonna copy the URL to this video. So I'm going to go to my Google Slides presentation. Just gonna paste in. I'm going to paste in this URL. I'm going to tap on enter. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, first method didn't work. Come in. Definitely gonna work. Alright. Okay, good. I'm gonna copy the URL of this. So copy, try again. Paste. Alright, you work. Something actually went wrong. Let's try it again. So I'm going to paste in the URL. You can see create from YouTube. You can see start video, YouTube, or Google Drive. So I'm just going to paste in the URL. Then I'm going to hit on done. So you can see it has automatically generated the video for me from YouTube. So I'm just going to tap on it. Yeah, I'm just going to insert it. See this video right here, so I can just decide to move it around it and place it somewhere around the angle. Maybe it's kind of good. Can place it around the angle. I can change the size as well if I want to. I can change the size, make it smaller. I can make it smaller, and if I want to make it bigger, I can make it bigger. And that's it. That's how to add background music to Google Slide. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.